Hello friends! In today's video, we'll be talking about Xiaomi's latest two models, the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Both phones bring the latest technological advancements, and we'll be discussing the key differences between them. Don't forget to subscribe and like to stay updated with the latest tech news and support our channel. Now, let's take a closer look at the features of these phones. Both the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro come in simple but functional packaging. Inside the box, you'll find a few essential accessories alongside the devices. The Xiaomi 14T Pro comes with a 120-watt fast charger, while the Xiaomi 14T includes a 67-watt charger, which is still quite fast for everyday use. Both models also come with a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Xiaomi also includes a silicone case to protect your device. This offers protection from day one and eliminates the need to buy an additional protective accessory. Inside the box, you'll also find some documentation and a SIM card ejector tool, making it easy to set up your device right away. Upon unboxing, the design of both models immediately stands out. Both the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro have a minimalist and sleek design. The phones feature a high-quality aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass on the back. On the front, both models are equipped with Gorilla Glass 5 and come with IP68 certification, meaning they are highly resistant to water and dust. Both models have identical dimensions of 160.4 by 75.1 by 8.4 millimeters. However, their weights differ. The Xiaomi 14T weighs 202 grams, while the Xiaomi 14T Pro weighs 209 grams. This weight difference is mainly due to the additional cameras and more powerful hardware in the Pro model. Both phones sport a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, providing a wide viewing area and excellent image quality. The near bezel-less design ensures a large screen experience despite the compact size. As for color options, both models are available in Titan Gray, Titan Blue, and Titan Black. Additionally, the Xiaomi 14T comes in a unique lemon green color, offering a bolder and more vibrant look, which is not available in the Pro model. Now let's move on to the camera setups. Both models, Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro, are equipped with powerful camera systems. The Xiaomi 14T is designed primarily for mid-range users, but it still delivers high-quality photos. It comes with a 50-megapixel IMX906 main camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture wide landscapes, while the telephoto lens enables clear shots of distant objects. However, compared to the Pro version, the Xiaomi 14T lacks 8K video recording and supports only 4K. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 14T Pro features a more advanced camera system. The 50-megapixel main camera uses light fusion technology to produce brighter and more detailed images. This camera, with its 1.2-micron pixel size, can capture more light for better performance. Additionally, it includes a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The 14T Pro also supports 8K video recording, making it ideal for capturing high-quality videos. Both models also include the Master Cinema mode, developed in collaboration with Leica. This mode is packed with various camera features designed for professional filmmakers and offers 10-bit HDR video recording capabilities. Moreover, the ultra-wide lens ensures high-quality wide shots, while both phones perform exceptionally well in night photography. And performance? I know this is what interests you the most. Both models, Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro, come with similar battery capacities. Each of them is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, providing enough power for daily usage. Both Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro support fast charging technology, but the difference lies in their charging speeds. The Xiaomi 14T supports 67W fast charging, while the Xiaomi 14T Pro offers a more powerful 120W fast charging option. Additionally, the Pro model supports 50-watt wireless charging, a feature absent in the standard 14T model. When it comes to internal storage and RAM, both models offer variants with 256 GB, 512 GB, and even 1 TB of storage. The Xiaomi 14T comes with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring high speed and the ability to handle multiple applications simultaneously. The Xiaomi 14T Pro, on the other hand, comes with both 12 GB and 16 GB RAM options, providing even more power to handle intensive tasks. In terms of performance, both phones are equipped with powerful processors, but the key difference lies in their processing power. The Xiaomi 14T is powered by the Dimensity 8 3000 Ultra chip, offering sufficient speed and power for mid-level usage. However, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is equipped with a more powerful Dimensity 9 300 Plus chip, delivering higher performance and a better gaming experience. Both phones run on the HyperOS operating system, based on Android 14. This operating system is optimized to provide faster performance, a better interface, and AI support. Both phones offer high performance in gaming and daily tasks, though the Pro model stands out in more intensive applications due to its superior chipset. Let's move on to the display. Both the Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro offer a premium screen experience for users. Both phones are equipped with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The screens have a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, providing highly detailed and sharp images. In particular, both models support an adaptive 144 Hz refresh rate. This feature ensures smoother and more fluid movements on the screen, especially noticeable when gaming or scrolling through social media. As for brightness, both displays offer a peak brightness of 4000 nits, making it easy to use the screen even in direct sunlight. Additionally, the screens support Dolby Vision and HDR10+ technologies, which provide a wider color range and higher contrast when watching videos. Both models offer the same screen technology and quality, ensuring users a perfect visual experience. And finally, the matter everyone has been eagerly waiting for: the price. The Xiaomi 14T is priced at $724, while the Xiaomi 14T Pro comes in at $891. Both models are truly appealing choices considering the features they offer at these price points. At this price, the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro models are truly remarkable options. I think these phones offer a lot while being budget-friendly. If these features fit your needs, they're definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep bringing you the latest tech updates. Your thoughts are very important to us. What do you think about these phones? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. See you soon.